Okay, so we are going to be introduced to Ivan's train sets. He's going to show you all of the different train characters he has from Thomas the Train series. Ivan, you ready?
Yeah.
Show us your trains. Start with this guy right here. Name him off and go.
Stephen, Bears, Rosie, Thomas, Percy, James, Diesel, and Gordon, Victor, Charlie, Henry, Emily, and Henry, and
Ivan.
Emily, Edward, Dieselton, and Toby, another Thomas, Bell, Stepney, another Percy, and Caitlin, another Stephen, Darfur, Luke, Porter, Night Diesel, Big City Engine, Salty, Broken Hero, Sweater Thomas, and finally Thomas.
Very good. Those are your trains, huh, Ivan? And we like playing with your trains, don't we?
We love Poppy.
What?
Very nice. Look at all those trains.
What about we line them up and buckle them?
Oh yeah, the magnet trains all together form a really long train, and we like to pull those around, don't we, Ivan?
Yeah, we gotta pull them.
Yeah. On top of all these wonderful trains, Ivan has several Thomas the Train sets. The mail delivery set, that set over there, plenty of train track, spiral train set, all for you to play with Thomas the Train stuff, huh, Ivan? Ivan, look at the camera and tell me, do you like Thomas the Train?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's
Sure
the
does.
And I like Mario. And I like Mario.
And you like Mario too, yep. Thomas the Train and Mario.
I like the Mario.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't like ponies.
You don't like ponies?
I don't like Thomas.
Okay.
I'm mixing up right now.
Yeah.
Getting mixed up with all those.
You like Thomas the Train.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, 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 I don't.